Hello friends, welcome back to Shia Sisters. Today we are gonna see how to make a thumbnail on Scratch. So before we start making the thumbnail, let's get to know what we want the thumbnail sprite to do. When the green flag is clicked, it should turn invisible, and when the stop button is clicked, it should show again. Now we're gonna make the thumbnail as a sprite by clicking on the Paint to Sprite option. Come on guys, let's be creative and start making our thumbnail. We should make sure that the thumbnail is as wide as the inner rectangle so that when we click on the stop button, it will be as wide as the whole screen. Now let's start adding code to the thumbnail. We will need 2 when green flag click blocks. Now click on the motion category and grab the go to X and Y block and set it to 0. We are doing this so that the sprite appears at the middle of the stage. Now let's start giving code to the other when green flag click block. Go to the looks category and grab the set color effect to 0 block. Now click on the drop down menu and select ghost. Set the ghost effect to 100. In this way, when the green flag is clicked, it will become invisible. Now, we're gonna grab the go to front layer block. Now let's put a forever loop around it so that throughout the project, it stays on the front layer. Okay, so here's a quick tip. You can either give code to the thumbnail before or after making your project. But I prefer giving code to the thumbnail after coding the project because you may have to run your project to keep checking it.